baby bus!
Let's go, Sheriff! Labrador!
The Red Flower Artist is a Thief, Part 2.
Who are you? Isn't this Bucky's house?
The fox looked very flustered, with beads of sweat forming on his forehead.
I'm Flom. Bucky and I are good friends. I'm on vacation, visiting his family in Forestville. While here, I'm staying at his house.
Bucky's family are not at home?
No. His parents are at work, and he is at school.
Phew! My eyesight is so poor. This whole time, it was a fox.
Granny Ocelot walked to the balcony, squinting.
Are you okay, young man? So it was you who was relaxing on the balcony. I couldn't get your attention to wake you up no matter what I did. Phew, I was terrified.
Hey now, watch out for the balcony door, Granny Ocelot!
Officer Doberman tried to open the balcony door for Granny Ocelot, but it wouldn't budge no matter what he did. With his eyes drifting back and forth, Flom suddenly squeezed out an awkward and unnatural smile.
Oh, I remember. Just now I went to the balcony to water the flowers, but the door got stuck somehow. So I planned to relax in the rocking chair and wait until Nicola came back. But I fell asleep while rocking back and forth.
Oh, looks like the lock is broken. Now that the lock fixer is here, just let him repair it.
The lock fixer got the lock repaired soon, and Flom finally entered the room.
Thank you, Sheriff, Granny Ocelot, and thank you too, Mr. Locksmith.
Laughing so hard his whole face squished into a ball, Flom stretched out his arms and hugged Sheriff Labrador and the others, pushing them towards the door.
Thank you for your help. Take care. Goodbye.
A flicker of doubt appeared in Sheriff Labrador's mind.
Why does Flom look so anxious? Why does he want us to leave here so quickly?
Sheriff Labrador looked around and found the living room a little messy. On the coffee table, there was a big cloth bag from which a pearl necklace hung outside, with several red crayons next to it. A sharp beam flashed behind Sheriff Labrador's dark, round eyes.
A pearl necklace? Red crayons? Perhaps.
Sheriff Labrador suddenly turned around and asked Flom with a smile.
Whew! Suddenly, I feel very thirsty. Could you give me a glass of water, Flom?
Flom was stunned. Why did Sheriff Labrador suddenly ask Flom for a favor? Was he really feeling thirsty? What would Flom do? To be continued next episode.